At this point, we know that the COVID-19 vaccines are safe and effective because we have so much experience giving them to people and following to see how they do. Around the world, over 4.5 billion people have received a dose of COVID vaccine. That's about 61% of the world's population. We've also been giving the COVID vaccine now for over a year, since December 2020. This is the most important instrument that we have to get past this pandemic, and you can help by getting vaccinated. The COVID-19 vaccine is safe, it's effective, it's free. Some people do have some mild symptoms that last for just a short period of time, but this is actually a normal sign that your body is responding to the vaccine and developing protection in case you have a future exposure to the virus. It's still important to wear a mask and practice social distancing after getting vaccinated to reduce your risk of exposure, but that vaccine is going to add an added layer of protection in case you do get exposed. And last, it's really important that you get all of the recommended doses, including the booster when it's time to do so, so you have the highest level of protection possible.